Installing the 2N Fortis Cylinder. Unscrew and remove the fixing screw that secures the current cylinder body. Insert the key lock into the lock, turn it slightly and gently pull the mechanical cylinder out of the door. Prepare the new electronic lock by clicking the mechanical knob into the selected cylinder body. Insert the assembled cylinder into the door. And secure it with the fixing screw. Place the electronic knob onto the outer side of the cylinder. Swipe the dedicated configuration RFID card for disassembly over the knob to secure it. Use a programmed user RFID card to ensure the cylinder unlocks correctly. Replacing the battery. Use the dedicated RFID card configured for battery replacement and supplied battery replacement tool to safely detach the knob sleeve. Remove the used CR2 lithium 3-volt batteries and insert new ones. Align the markings on the knob and sleeve, then push the sleeve back into place. Swipe the dedicated RFID card for battery replacement again to finalize the process. Check correct functionality using an RFID card with assigned access rights.